Hello, the day of today I am going to talk about how to make a better use of TICS in education, present by Jelly Natalia Guevara Herrera. Let's start. Main idea of each video. Main idea is with relation to videos. Number one, the importance of the use of ACT in the teaching of education and implementation of technological tools in the classroom. This is some pictures with relation main idea of each video. Let's continue. Compare and contrast both videos. The first video talked about the importance of the use ACT in the teaching and learning. With winning in the classroom with the student where every day learning is more interactive or dynamic. On other hand, in the second video in relation to teaching in the classroom, in this case, mathematics according to the video is essential to make use electronic tools where the use of creativity can be carried out, in which students can be participants in the class. To end, I am going to talk about give some suggestions. I consider that it is essential to start implementing use electronic tools in the respective supervision of the teacher in the order to achieve meaningful learning in the classroom, where can be a little more dynamic or motivating with the help of educational activities in which the students are participants in different activities educational, for example in this picture. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.